Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today we'll talk about Sharp MultiSync EA272Q desktop display. So friend, Sharp Imaging, an information company, is announced a MultiSync EA series with the new 27-inch business class monitor. It's designed to fit any workspace and include essential features to help run corporate, small and medium-sized business efficiency. And the monitor comes with high-resolution IPS display with a three-side narrow bezel and multifunction stand with a key ergonomic features such as a tilt, swivel, pivot, and high stability, and it includes an essential connectivity business require including HDMI, Type-C port, and DisplayPort and Ethernet port as well. And the Sharp MultiSync series is a legacy of quality and reliability in the desktop display market. To display leader also maintain a 3-year limited parts and labor warranty. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.